Hello and welcome to Split Test Dynamo. In this video we're going to cover conducting a template split test. When you log into Split Test Dynamo, if you navigate to the Template Split tab, you'll see any split test that you currently have running. You can create a new split test, and we'll cover in another video, we'll cover a little bit more about the various types of page types here, but you would pick the type you wanted and then create a new split test. But as you can see from right here, there's the SEO cheat sheet split test that we have running. You can see we have version A, version B. We have a little bit of historical data accumulated over the last 7 days. We could reset this data at any point in time. If we made some changes and so forth, we could show the detailed stats associated with that particular campaign. And if you look over here, we could even come over and deactivate the campaign. So if we were happy with the results, we could deactivate the campaign and so forth. But what I want to do is I want to show you a little bit about what happens when you go to the individual page associated with it. So if you look here, we have a page set up. And on this page, this is the Ad Center page, and this was a particular template that we had running. You can see that the template here we have, it's a page and there's no ads. Now, all themes come with templates, and you'll see it over here on this side next to the page. You won't see them on a post, but we're doing pages, and so you'll always see on the side here. Now with Split Test Dynamo, you'll even be allowed to change the template on a post, but that's not typically possible with regular WordPress stuff. So that's part of the power associated with the Split Test Dynamo. So if you look here, normally this is what you see. You could pick, if we wanted to choose opt-in or no content ads, or there's various different templates that came with the particular theme we're using. So if you look over here, over on the side, we could scroll down here, and if we wanted to split out this particular template, then you could see we could do two things. We could do a split test on the content of the page, or we could do a split test on the page template itself. So if you look here, if we were to click this link right here, you would see what it would happen would be, you see how this works right here? Now you see that there are options here. We could say, well, for version A, use the default template, or for version B, we could choose a different template. So we could choose the thank you page template if we wanted to. And then now we would give it a name and we would save it. And now everyone that visited this page would see two different versions. 50% of the traffic would see version A, 50% would see version B. All that data would be tracked and stored, and we could see it all right here. We could always remove the split at any point in time and keep a particular version. But obviously, you would only do that once you have enough data behind it to say, oh, this is the better performing layout. And an example of a template may be, maybe your template is a wide page template with no sidebar or no header. Let's just actually, the other thing I was going to show you is, you notice now you can't choose a template because the template split is active. So you can't choose a template right now from this side. The only way you could do the template on the page is from over here in this section. Now, once you've activated this, this will be the only way to change the templates. When you deactivate the split test, then you'll be able to change this template for this page from this side over here. So it's a very simple, very straightforward process. It's very easy. You just turn it on, choose your two templates, and that's it. You can give it a name, and then of course, like we had talked about previously, you can come here, enter in a page that'll be your thank you URL, and then once you do that, it'll track the conversion. Now, as I've mentioned in other videos, it says orders, but it really should say successes, because although most people will use it for orders, there are multiple ways to use it. It could be to reach a particular page. It could be to reach the thank you page. It could be for subscribing. There could be anything that you consider a success. And so whatever you enter here, it will actually attribute that value to the particular category. So if you use thank you for subscribing and someone came from version A template and made it to that page, you would see the 1 here, and then it would calculate the percentage. You can reset it at any time. So I hope that helps. I hope that explains and helps you understand a little bit about a template split and how it works. I think you'll see it's very easy, and pretty much anyone can be up and running with a template split in a matter of seconds without touching any code at all. That is the power of Split Test Dynamo. So thank you for visiting, and check out our other videos. Thanks.